afternoon. So,
Ready na siyang open.
I don't know what she's doing. I think she's ready to open. Come on, let's go open. Unboxing ta na. That's not really nice. Dada have nice one. Dada have a new one. Okay?
Electric oven.
Hello guys. So,
Next.
let's unbox our electric oven.
Ready to open. Every oven is electric.
I opened that one. Why you just want to order? My God, I'm done.
Masunod siya.
Hey, get out.
Ganahan siya mo tanaw.
Hoy. Hawa ba? No, it's a
Ganahan siya mo sulod siyang box.
nai ko ano.
Delivery.
Marites. Be, mahulog. Asa ka?
Ganahan na siya mo sulod siyang box.
Human gudtaan ni nung pawa. Get out. No?
Mo unboxing. Good. Take the box, give it to Oli. Patay ka, halaka. Better be Oli. Open.
A new one. The other one is
Maybe they take.
broken.
Now you look nice at you. I give this to Oli na. Kanina naman nag-size sila. All. Dala all. Sinong box all. Let me give this to all. Oli. Oli.
Go to ate ko. Go to ate ko.
Madala ang tigkuha ma. Tigkuha. Nahulog ang tigkuha. Tawa. Try tigkuha. All. Dari all. Dari yung back. Ganahan na siya sa box. Tawa.
So this is a love, guys. Because our other one is broken. So we need to find a new one because they are both use this one, Kahira and him. Okay. Okay.
It's snowing. Bulak yung snow. Snow. Snow.
Okay.
Safety.
Ayaw na diya. Kuha anak kay hugaw. Hello guys. So they have a magkuan ka, magluto ka og manok na rotate something. Rotate then like that. But I know we're not using that one. because only we use is big chicken. Put it in the pan. This one. So this is the book. Adhesive must be take it off properly. Wire outlet inserted, plug completely, and shock is not leak or become abnormal to use it. Muna,
Normal.
why our other oven is broken? Because he leave it always on. Bye.